guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I haven't filmed a video, and that's because we moved to Turkey. It's kind of weird because we moved to Turkey about 8 months ago, but I never really uploaded anything on Instagram or YouTube, so you guys don't know anything about that. So right now we're in Turkey, we're in Konya, Turkey, and we've been here for 8 months. And this is our garden, by the way. It's pretty big. From now, I actually will be making more videos, being more consistent on YouTube. So I think I'll be doing that more. I'll be uploading more on YouTube. This is gonna be our first video from coming back. Yeah, I'll give you a tour in a bit, but I want to talk about quite a few things. Lisa, get. I want you guys. So we have a dog right now, Lisa, and her name's Lisa. She's a golden retriever. She's 6 months old. We got her about 2-3 months ago, actually. I was gonna make a video, but again, I wasn't really paying much attention to YouTube, so now I will be. But right now, I just want to clarify a few things. But right now, we're in Konya, Turkey. We moved to Turkey 8 months ago, and this is our garden. We're in our garden, and yeah, I will be filming more often. I will be filming about our garden. Gardening videos will come. Days with Lisa. Wait, actually, let me show you her right now. Let's go to her. She's running away right now, and that's my sister. You guys know her. She's so fluffy. Come over here. Get. She doesn't know English. She only knows Turkish commands, by the way. Otur. Lisa, otur. She only knows Turkish commands because we're in Turkey. We teach her in Turkish.
Sometimes follows you when you say run.
Get. What are you doing? No. She's gonna scratch the car. No, come over here. Get, Lisa. Push. Look. Guys, look. She's following my sister. Lisa, she's really hyperactive, so it's kind of hard for me to show her to you guys in detail because she's really hyperactive, but I will insert some photos of her on the screen right now. You guys want me to show her our little house that we made a few days ago, actually. We've never gotten the time to build her house. Not a house. What is it called? Bro, my English has been so bad since we came to Turkey because I haven't really been practicing with anybody that actually speaks English other than my siblings. So yeah, let me show you her house. We're still working on the door, by the way. So her little house. So when we're here, she's usually so hyperactive. She came here again, see? She's so hyperactive. Whenever we're going into the garden to check on it, she just comes running, and then whatever we touch, let's say we're touching peppers. She just sat down, so I can show you her.
She sometimes runs away from you because she wants to play games. She wants to play games. She gives you snuggles sometimes.
So whenever we go into the garden, she just follows us, and then as soon as we pass, she's falling down, buddy. What are you doing?
She likes sleeping there.
What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy?
Belly rub.
So yeah, whenever we go into the garden, she runs coming with us, and she tries to get anything we touch. Let's say we touch a leaf, she grabs the leaf. She sniffs.
If we touch a tomato, she eats a tomato.
Yeah, she eats the tomato. So when we're in the garden, we're going to be putting her, tying her up in here. See, she only knows Turkish commands. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Koş. That's our car, and this is the garden. I will show you the garden right now. So this is our garden, an overview from the front of our container. We have some sunflower plants over there. And we had some chickpeas too, but we ate it all before it was even dried up. But let me try and find you some. Okay, so they're all dried up because we're going to use this for food. Actually, there's more over there. I probably should go there. Okay, so these are our chickpeas. If you didn't know, chickpeas grow like this. It's kind of weird. I didn't know they grew like this either. So you crack it open and there's chickpea. That's what chickpeas are. And yeah, this is our chickpeas. You can eat these fresh actually, but ours just dried a couple of weeks ago. So we can't eat them like this now because we will break our jaws. So yeah. By the way, we have some trees over here, evergreens. Some of them dried. I don't know why. It's probably because of the soil. They probably couldn't get adapted to the soil. So we have a whole row of evergreens. And we have some potatoes here. We actually just took them out yesterday. We had two rows. We got the whole row of this. I will show you that. It's in the container though, because we're leaving it to dry. These are still fresh. This row started to dry up for some reason, so we had to take them off. They were really small. I feel kind of bad for taking them off, but yeah, this side is hopefully gonna get bigger before we take it out. If you guys hear my sister in the background, that she's just playing with Lisa. Okay, so we have some zucchini over here. You'll see from here. We have some small ones. We have some small ones that are still growing, but we mainly took them off. Like I said, I got really motivated in like the beginning of June, but then I don't know why my motivation dropped, but yeah. So we have some tomatoes. Uh-oh, why are you coming, buddy? What are you doing? Gel. Koş, abla seni çağırıyor. Koş, 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 koş. Koş Lisa. You guys see her? She's going behind the container with my sister. Anyways, so these are some tomatoes, but they're kind of dried up. Like our plants got sick for some reason. We were too late for the medication, so these ones are kind of going bad, but we have a lot more tomatoes over there. We have a lot more tomatoes over there, but they're still green, so yeah. Let me show you the whole thing. This is just a portion of our tomatoes, and then we have some peppers over here. This is actually like half of the rose kind of peppers here. They're long peppers. We actually like take them whenever we come. We have some to take. Here are some. I'll show you them. There we go. And we have some eggplant over here. We usually don't let them grow too much because Lisa just bothers them so much that they can't grow. Once we had like the tiniest one like this one, and then Lisa just bit into it, so we couldn't eat it. So this, we have about this much of eggplant. Yeah. I don't know, it rained a few days ago, so that's why all the corns kind of slid. I don't know what happened to it. It's because of the rain, I'm pretty sure though. Here are some more peppers. There we go. These haven't grown yet. Corns haven't grown yet. But Lisa and Amin are playing hide and seek. They're like, where are you? So these are green beans. Let me try to find some for you guys. These are small. They're gonna get big eventually. This isn't the time for it to be picked off yet. So we will pick them off in like about 2-3 days. It will get ready. This is ready to be picked off. But yeah, these are green beans. We have again a full row, but we have another row over there. That's another row. This is a different type of green bean, and that's also a different type of green bean. We have some pumpkins over here. Not on here, but we have pumpkins all over the place. Let me try to find you some. Okay, so I found you one. That's a pumpkin. And we have like a whole row, like over there, from there till all the way the end. We have some pumpkins, and they're not ready yet because they're ready usually during October. I mean, not October, what am I talking about? September. They're ready during September, so they still have time to be grown, but they did get quite big. There's another one, I just spotted it. Okay, these are green beans, like I said. You can see. These are green beans. These are our green beans. So these actually were cornichon. I don't know what they're called, but they're pickling cucumbers, but they turned out really weird, and I don't know why, so we replanted them. So yeah, they're still growing, but these are also cucumbers. So yeah, wanted to show you that. This is half a row of cucumbers. We have a lot of cucumbers actually. Okay, so we have some more watermelon over here. This is my garden, by the way. So yeah, this is my garden. There's why do I keep saying cucumbers? This is a watermelon. It's not as weirdly shaped as the other one I showed in the back over there. There's also another one over there. Let me show you in detail. It's that over there. This is also mine. These took so long. This is my sister's garden. She has a lot of corns. Her corns are bigger than my corns. These are also tomatoes. Again, I don't think I need to show you guys in detail the tomatoes and like the things that I already showed, because they're basically the same thing but in different places. Oh, there's a red tomato over here. By the way, we put the green beans on sticks like this so they can grow and grow longer, so they will be able to give more beans, because if they just stay on the ground they can't grow. So yeah, these are I'm on to like 5th or 6th row. So these are, what are these called? They're Pratzapp, but I don't know the Turkish of it, English of it. But these are Pratzapp. It's kind of like onions. I don't know what their English is. Again, like a lot of the foods, I just know, like a lot of vegetables and fruits, I just know the Turkish of it. Moving on to the peppers. So we have a whole row of peppers, and in between it, we have Pratzapp. So this is peppers. You fry them. These are going to be like reddish. So when they're red, you will be able to fry it. So yeah, these are peppers that you can fry. And that's just a whole row of continuous things. So these are again green beans, but they're like different type. You dry these ones and make like beans out of it, not green beans. You just make like dried beans. This is bamya. I don't know the English of it again, but there's something like this. This is still growing. Bamya is still growing. And we have a whole half row of again peppers, and a full row. This is a full row of my grandma's tomato seeds, her own seeds that she grew. She gave some to us, and that's a whole row of that. But this is my aunt's tomatoes. And we have some corns over there. I don't think you guys need to show, you guys need to see it, but I'll show it to you either way. These are our corns, because you guys already saw it, but we have like a half row of corns, and around the end we have more corn. So corny, gosh. Anyways, guys, that was the whole that was the whole tour of our garden. There. That was our tour of our garden. I showed you it. And by the way, we have some trees. That hurt. So we have some, that's the sun. It's so bright and it's so hot. It's like 40 degrees right now. So we have some plants that I wanted to show you. These are fruit trees. I don't know what exactly these ones are, because they have not given out any plants yet, because if they did, I would have known, obviously, because I'm gonna eat from them. But we planted these around mid-May, again, when we planted the evergreens. Here they are. And we have some sunflower seeds growing in between it. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. That's it of the garden portion. Now let me show you the potatoes in the container. So I'm in the container right now. I just wanted to show you the potatoes really quickly. So yeah, here are some potatoes. They're really small because they got really sick. If we didn't take them out right now, they would have rotten. So we had to take them out, but they're really small. Hopefully the other row that I showed you guys earlier is much healthier. So yeah, let me show you the bigger ones, because these are the smaller ones, but there's bigger ones. That's kind of bigger compared to these. Some of it is like as small as marbles. Like they're as small as my marble. So yeah, let me show you the other ones. So these are the bigger ones. They're smaller compared to like what you would get at the market, because again, like if we didn't pick them off, they would have gotten sick and they rotten. So yeah. By the way, this is a sunflower seed. This is how sunflower seeds are. And it's kind of like this. I just picked one for you. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the garden. Let me know what you think of the garden, and let me know if you guys have any ideas on what next you want me to film about. I mean, perhaps maybe taking care of the garden, gardening. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below, and like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.